complement the World Cafe and to complement the paired walks and perhaps the more downloading types of facilitation that we use, the way of sort of provoking, we introduced a method called a learning journey. The learning journey is different from a field trip in that we pull together a group of people that are united in their acknowledgement of a problem, this question of resilience, but they have very diverse views of understanding the nature of that problem and what to do about it. And so this learning journey was set up. It was hosted by colleagues of ours from the Stellenbosch University Water Institute and particularly from the Stellenbosch River Collaborative, in order to understand what is happening with water through these two, or through the river system that essentially feeds and gives so much character to the town of Stellenbosch. So in essence what it's about is priming everyone to be very open, to be very clear about what they're looking for, but not to try and provide solutions or to provide an immediate analysis to what they're observing. And the idea is to then spend time in different places, in terms of this, the Stellenbosch River, to understand what has happened to this extraordinary resource, this extraordinary gift to this town, that ultimately becomes so polluted that it's regarded as a health hazard and may in fact have implications for some of the deaths that have been experienced in some of the informal settlements. Generative dialogue often requires a different modality, and in this case what we used was clay and map making. So we asked different groups to map out what they had seen on the learning journey and to, with the use of clay, to depict how they saw that particular system, the changes in that system, the dynamics of that system, and indeed to think about the transformation ultimately of that system. So the clay work, through discussion, through working together, through co-creating some kind of artifact that people can then engage with, is a very real way to then generate new ideas, to stimulate, to facilitate much deeper insight into the issue at hand, in this case the Stellenbosch River.
What we all understand is, if we want to have a healthy economy, we need to have a healthy community. So if we have a healthy community, it means we can have healthy water. That's the relationship we're working towards.